Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing the JBL Live 670 noise cancelling on-the-ear headphones with a claim of 65 hours battery, which is pretty nuts. So I'll try to dive into what exactly does that mean, how is it accomplished in the review. A link to the review will be in the video description. So the box itself you see on the back and on the side has some features listed, but again we're going to go over those details in this unboxing and find out what's inside the box, but then also in the review, which will be much more in-depth detail. So this feels like a Travis pouch. I think it is because it has the JBL logo on the front. The material just feels so soft, not very protective at all. So I thought it was just like sheeted padding to keep it prevented from scratches in the box, but no, it's a carrying pouch. You hear the headphones themselves. The ear cups seem really small. Nothing that I think I'll be concerned about because again, I want to test it and use it in real life, and that'll be part of the review results. But just a bit more smaller than I anticipated. It does support a folding design. Otherwise, the headphones look decent, I guess, is one thing to say. They feel pretty firm in the hand, so despite the small body, they don't feel too bad. Documentation included is a safety and warranty guide as well as a quick start guide. But I'm really looking for the cables, which I'm trying to find. So they're going to be most likely in this pouch here. And there you go, yeah. You got the auxiliary cable, which feels a very nice meshy material, so going to be most likely tangle-free, and the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. That's pretty much it. So again, a link to the review as well as my social media links and website link will be in the video description. And with that, be sure to hit the like button. It does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.